Hello guys, welcome to my channel and how to download driver HP OmniBook Ultra 14. So open any browser and Google search box to type like that. And guys, make sure you have to type driver also. So support.hp.com, this official website. Go to this website. Scroll down. You can select if you are using you can select the operating system which is using, okay? And then click to submit. Scroll down. Extract network. So this is Bluetooth driver and click to download. Then Bluetooth driver is completed. It's only 7 MB. Then single click to open. Now you can see Bluetooth driver and click to next. I accept. Then next. Now it is installing and it will work in background, and after that restart your system. Thank you.